Don't panic for Corona, defeat Corona. Senior Acharya of Stanakwasi Jain Samaj, Jai Gachadipati, Acharya Pravar Shri Parshu Chandraji Maharaj Sahib defeated Corona with Ayurvedic medicines. Jai Gachya Jain Saint Dr. Shri Padam Chandraji Maharaj Sahib had Corona in September last year 2020. The doctor of government hospital did get the COVID test done, but Munishri treated himself through Ayurvedic medicines. On May 7, 2021, Jain Acharya Pravar Shri Parshu Chandraji Maharaj Sahib, Munishri Jayendra Muniji Maharaj Sahib, Mahasati Shri Bharti Ji Maharaj Sahib, Mahasati Shri Shubham Prabhaji Maharaj Sahib's Corona test was positive. I, Jain Samni Dr. Suyash Nidhi, would like to give you information on how Dr. Shri Padam Chandraji Maharaj Sahib saved his lungs through Ayurvedic medicines and defeated COVID-19 so that you can also defeat the corona. You should also not panic and make good efforts to save your lungs. Corona is a contagious epidemic. It is called a pandemic. To avoid this pandemic, you must wear a mask compulsorily. Save yourself from touching any surface or anything unnecessarily. Do sun bath half an hour or 1 hour daily. Yoga, pranayam, and Udghosh of 35 letters of Namaskar Sutra must be practiced regularly. For this, you can watch my video in the suggestion box given above or can follow the link in the description. If someone is COVID positive, then pay attention to what you should do. What did Jainacharya Shri Parshu Chandraji Maharaj Sahib do that coronavirus also had to get defeated? Acharya Bhagwan Shri Parshu Chandraji Maharaj Sahib, Muni Shri Jayendra Muniji Maharaj Sahib, Mahasati Shri Bharti Ji Maharaj Sahib, Mahasati Shri Shubham Prabhaji Maharaj Sahib got corona positive. Acharya Bhagwan felt feverish 5 days before the report showed positive and the rest got fever 3 days before the positive report. So all had quarantined themselves. First of all, to save lungs, Abhrag Bhasma Sahasraputi 1 gram, Moti Bhasma 1 gram, Shwasakash Chintamani Ras 1 gram, Vishan Bhasma 1 gram, Praval Pisti 5 grams. All these medicines were mixed and 20 sachets, that is 20 doses had been prepared. 1 dose was taken in the morning and 1 dose in the evening with Chyawanprash. If someone has diabetes, take with sugar-free Chyawanprash. Note, if more heat is felt in the body, then the quantity should be reduced to half after 5 days. Infections did not reach lungs. Apart from this, allopathic medicine Dolo 650 was taken for 3 days after the onset of fever. No antibiotics were taken. Due to increased symptoms of cough, Jayendra Muniji Maharaj Sahib and Mahasati Shri Bharti Ji Maharaj Sahib were prescribed Cheston plus cough syrup by well-known doctor Dr. Shri Bikam Chandji Saklecha, owner of Santosh Hospital, Bengaluru. He also told no other antibiotic is required. Under the guidelines of well-known Vaidya of Jodhpur, Shri Surendraji Tiwari, Abhrag Bhasma Sahasraputi, Moti Bhasma, Shwasakas Chintamani Ras, Vishan Bhasma and Praval Pishti were taken to save lungs. The time period of coronavirus is 10 to 12 days. It will automatically perish. You have to quarantine yourself, be courageous and try to save your lungs. If you try to save your lungs from the first day, then you will not need to take any steroids, etc. You will be saved from many other illnesses and ailments. If your lungs survive, the amount of oxygen in your body will not decrease. Apart from this, you must use the Desi decoction that is called Kada made by the Ministry of Ayush. A well-known Vaidya of Mumbai, Sri Nemichandji Ranka said, boil 2 lemon peels in 2 glasses of water. When 1/4 glass of water remains, take it empty stomach in the morning. Gargle with hot or lukewarm water by adding a little turmeric, a little salt and a little alum powder called as fitkari. Corona will be defeated automatically. Jainacharya Pravar Shri Parshu Chandraji Maharaj Sahib had fever on 2nd May 2021. Testing was done on 6th May and received corona positive report on 7th May. On 5th day, the sense of aroma smell had stopped. He has started retrieving the fragrance from the 11th day Acharya Bhagwant will be tested again on May 13th, and we are confident that his corona report will be negative. Even at the age of 73, senior Acharya of Stanakwasi Jain Samaj, Acharya Pravashri Parshu Chandraji Maharaj Sahib, accept Gujarati tradition or parampara with the strength of his self-restraint, Sayam, and influence of limited Ayurvedic medicines. He could easily defeat corona. There is a good improvement in the health of all the remaining sadhus and sadhvis. Jain saint Dr. Sri Padamchandraji Maharaj Sahib is also very well versed with the knowledge of Ayurveda scripture, but he is in his monk's dignity. If any of your family member is in need, then you can contact Sri Surendarji Tiwari, a Vaidya of Jodhpur. Contact details have been revealed during this video. Kindly note, consult a good Ayurvedic practitioner, Vaidya, for taking Ayurvedic medicines. The important precautions to be taken after corona is to save your heart. First, because after corona the blood becomes thick and dirty. To keep the blood thin, Anand Shravak, one of the top 10 Shravaks of Lord Mahavir Swami, used gourd, which is called Loki in Hindi. By taking 1/4 spoon of cinnamon dalchini in milk prevents clotting of blood. Giloi Ghanvati, Hridayamritvati, Medhavati are extremely beneficial in post-COVID-19. In this regard, you should use Ayurvedic medicines and save Indian culture by consulting experienced Ayurveda practitioners. We, the Samnis of JPP Jain groups, wish you all a healthy life. Jain Samani Sugamnidhi ji and Jain Samani Sudhannidhi ji received phone calls from the families of more than 500 corona-infected patients since last September 2020. We suggested everyone the same medicine. 99.9% result was good. If you are not able to give complete medicine, or if you have complete lung damage before starting the medicine, then leave 0.1% in the exception. Otherwise, this medicine is very good in saving lungs. We have also written a letter to Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi ji to direct the Ministry of Ayush to pay attention to this. There is a shortage of oxygen machines and gas right now. Patients are increasing day by day. If Abhrag Bhasma Sahasraputi is consumed, then there will be no lack of oxygen. These medicines may be little expensive. We suggested only Abhrag Bhasma Sahasraputi alone to majority of the people and got 100% result with this. If we add up other medicines as told earlier, we get the best result. 2 grams of Abhrag Bhasma Sahasraputi can be divided into 20 parts and each part to be taken twice a day, empty stomach in the morning and at the last after food in the evening for 10 days to get good results. Whoever took Abhrag Bhasma Sahasraputi and whoever returned home safely from ventilation or oxygen support, saved their lungs, improved oxygen level, kindly go to the comment box and give your positive comments. Do share this video with family and friends for good health and safe life. Do like, share and subscribe for latest updated videos. Thank you.